Have you ever felt like your heart is shattered into a million pieces? Like no one understands the pain you're carrying? What if I told you that in God's Word there are promises? Divine promises that can bring healing to your deepest hurts. Matthew chapter 11 verse 28, New Living Translation. Then Jesus said, "Come to me, all of you who are weary and carry heavy burdens, and I will give you rest." Revelation chapter 21 verse 4, New Living Translation. He will wipe every tear from their eyes, and there will be no more death or sorrow or crying or pain. All these things are gone forever. 2 Corinthians chapter 4 verses 8 through 10, New Living Translation. We are pressed on every side by troubles, but we are not crushed. We are perplexed, but not driven to despair. We are hunted down, but never abandoned by God. We get knocked down, but we are not destroyed. Through suffering, our bodies continue to share in the death of Jesus, so that the life of Jesus may also be seen in our bodies. Psalm chapter 46 verse 1, New Living Translation. God is our refuge and strength, always ready to help in times of trouble. Psalm chapter 71 verse 20, New Living Translation. You have allowed me to suffer much hardship, but you will restore me to life again and lift me up from the depths of the earth. Psalm chapter 27 verse 14, New Living Translation. Wait patiently for the Lord. Be brave and courageous. Yes, wait patiently for the Lord. Psalm chapter 147 verse 3, New Living Translation. He heals the brokenhearted and bandages their wounds. Hosea chapter 6 verse 3, New Living Translation. Oh, that we might know the Lord. Let us press on to know him. He will respond to us as surely as the arrival of dawn or the coming of rains in early spring. John chapter 14 verse 27, New Living Translation. I am leaving you with a gift, peace of mind and heart, and the peace I give is a gift the world cannot give. So don't be troubled or afraid. John chapter 1 verse 5, New Living Translation. The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness can never extinguish it. Psalm chapter 73 verse 26, New Living Translation. My health may fail, and my spirit may grow weak, but God remains the strength of my heart. He is mine forever. Isaiah chapter 43 verse 18, New Living Translation. But forget all that. It is nothing compared to what I am going to do. Romans chapter 8 verse 28, New Living Translation. And we know that God causes everything to work together for the good of those who love God and are called according to his purpose for them. Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10, New Living Translation. Don't be afraid, for I am with you. Don't be discouraged, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will hold you up with my victorious right hand. Friend, your broken heart matters to God. He sees your tears, feels your pain, and promises to be close to you. You are not alone, and this season of pain will not last forever. Trust in his healing love and allow him to mend the pieces of your heart. Remember, God's love for you is unfailing. His plans are good, and he will bring beauty from the ashes. Take heart, healing is coming, and brighter days are ahead. Hold on to his promises, and know that you are deeply loved.